In this video, we're going to have a look at finding a missing length given the area of a parallelogram. To do this, we need to know that the area of a parallelogram is given by base times height. Because the area is obtained by multiplying two lengths together, we can work out a missing side by doing the inverse of this, which is taking the area and then dividing it by the length that is given in the question. It doesn't matter whether this length is the base or the height. Let's have a look at some examples. In my first question, I can immediately cross off the 7 because it's on a slant or a diagonal, so I'm not going to need it in my calculation. Next, I can see that the area of the parallelogram is 60 centimeters squared and it has a height of 6 centimeters. I know that I need to use this 6 in my calculation because it's at a right angle or perpendicular to the base, which is the length that I'm trying to work out. So I need to start off with the area, which is 60, and I'm going to divide it by the height, the length that's given, which is 6. I know that 60 divided by 6 is equal to 10, which means that my base has a length of 10 centimeters. I know that my units are centimeters because my height is in centimeters and my area is in centimeters squared. Remember, because we're looking at the base, which is a length, we only need centimeters, not centimeters squared. In my second example, I can start off immediately by crossing off the length, which is on a slant or a diagonal, so that's the length 4 millimeters. I can see that my parallelogram has an area of 21 millimeters squared and a base of 7 millimeters. I know that I want to use the 7 in my calculation because it's at a right angle or perpendicular to the height, which is the length that I'm trying to work out. So I start off by taking the area, which is 21, and I divide it by the base, which is the length that's given, 7. I know that 21 divided by 7 is 3, and because all my units are given in millimeters and we're looking at a length for the height, my units are going to be millimeters as well. So my answer, 3 millimeters.